Recently, the announcement of Seedream 2.5 has taken the AI community by storm. But that's not all. Volcano Engine has also announced the upcoming release of Seedream 5.0 Pro. In today's video, I'll walk you through what's new in Seedream 5.0 Pro. And by the way, Seedream 2.5 and Seedream 5.0 Pro will also be available on HitPaw soon. Be sure to check the download link in the description below. The first upgrade is interactive image editing. Instead of only typing prompts, you can draw arrows, circle objects, or highlight areas directly on the image. Seedream understands your annotations and edits exactly what you mean. It's much closer to editing with a real designer. The second upgrade is automatic layer separation. Objects, text, and even individual accessories can all become separate editable layers. Remove an object, and the background is intelligently reconstructed. That makes further editing much easier. The third upgrade is high-density image generation. It can organize complex diagrams, infographics, and even presentation-style layouts inside a single image while keeping everything clean and readable. Perfect for design, education, and business content. The fourth upgrade is native multilingual support. More importantly, it adapts layouts, fonts, and cultural conventions automatically. The result feels natural instead of simply translated. The final upgrade is the Seedream Plus Seedance workflow. Seedream creates high-quality keyframes, and Seedance turns them into polished videos. This dramatically speeds up the production of educational and explainer videos. And that's everything you need to know about Seedream 5.0 Pro. Will it outperform Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2? We'll have to wait and see. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you updated with the latest AI news, tools, and breakthroughs as soon as they happen.